In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft Office error that says something went wrong. Sorry, we ran into a problem followed by the error code 3004529. Let's get started. First, go to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the search box. Type in installed apps. When you see that option in the search results, go ahead and click on it. Now you're looking at a list of all the apps installed on your computer. In the search bar inside this window, type Office. This will help you quickly find the Microsoft Office program. Once you see Microsoft Office in the list, click once on the three dots next to it. Then click the Modify button that appears. If you see a message asking if you want to allow this app to make changes, click Yes. Now you'll see two repair options. Choose the first one, which says Quick Repair. This option will fix most problems quickly, and it does not require an internet connection. Click on Repair to begin. Office will now try to fix itself. This may take a few minutes. While it's repairing, you won't be able to use any Office apps like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Let the repair finish completely. Don't close the window until you see a message that the repair is done. Once the process is finished, you can close the repair window. Now try opening the Office app that was giving you the error. In many cases, the error will be gone after the quick repair. If the problem is still there, you can try the second option, which is the online repair. To do that, go back to Apps and Features. Click on Microsoft Office again and select Modify. This time, choose Online Repair. Keep in mind this option will need an internet connection and it might take longer. It will basically reinstall all of Office, but will try to keep your files and settings in place. Click on Repair to begin the online repair. Let the process finish without interruption. After the online repair is done, restart your computer. Then open the Office program again and check if the error is gone. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.